In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com in just 5 minutes. This is a really helpful integration if you want to keep your team organized and updated with your email marketing efforts directly in your Monday.com workspace. Let's dive right in and get you set up without any hassle. To start, you want to log in to your Monday.com account. Make sure you're using the right credentials so that you have access to the appropriate workspace where you plan to set up this integration. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to your workspace. This is typically the area where all your boards and projects are housed, and where you can see any existing integrations. Now, let's move on to finding the right app for our needs. You'll either click on Apps from the left-hand panel of your dashboard, or head over to the Monday.com marketplace. This is where you'll find all available apps and integrations that can enhance your workflow within Monday.com. Inside the marketplace or the apps section, you're going to want to search for Mailchimp, enter it into the search bar, and as you see Mailchimp pop up, click on it to select the integration. You'll then have the option to add it to your board. Simply click on Add App, and this will integrate Mailchimp with your Monday.com account, making it ready to use on your projects. After adding the app, it's time to choose the right recipe to automate your work. Look for the Mailchimp integration recipes that Monday.com offers. These are essentially pre-made automation templates that can help streamline your activities. For example, you might choose a recipe like, when a new contact is added in Mailchimp, create an item in Monday.com. The idea here is to select what best fits your needs and what will enhance your productivity the most. Once you've decided on the integration recipe, Monday.com will usually guide you through a series of prompts to connect your Mailchimp account. Simply follow these prompts carefully. It might take you through logging into Mailchimp or granting necessary permissions for the integration to work properly. Make sure you have your Mailchimp credentials handy. And there you have it. You've integrated Mailchimp with Monday.com, creating a seamless workflow between your email marketing and project management. This should save you time and allow for better coordination across your marketing and project teams. This connection ensures real-time updates and smooth data exchanges between the two platforms. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips that make your work easier and more efficient. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. Have a great day and happy integrating.